7 Powerful Tips to Speak English More Fluently. Binge watch and learn like a boss. We all love a good show, but did you know you can use them to improve your English? Pay attention to how characters talk, pick up cool expressions, and try using them in your own conversations. Turn up the tunes and talk it out. Don't just listen to English music, become a star. Sing along and memorize your favorite lyrics. It's a super fun way to pick up new words and phrases. Talk to yourself, but not out loud. Maybe. Short on practice time? No worries. It said we have tons of thoughts each day. Why not think some of them in English? Narrate your day in your head, describe what you see, or even make up a story, all in English. English everywhere. Learning English doesn't stop after class. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Listen to English podcasts, change your phone language, or even read the labels at the grocery store. The more English you see and hear, the faster you'll learn. Speak up. The best way to get better at speaking is to actually speak. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone does when they're learning something new. The more you talk, the more confident you'll become. Read out loud and find your fun. Reading is a classic way to learn, but here's a twist. Read things you actually enjoy. Find books, articles, or even comics that interest you, then read them out loud. It'll keep you engaged and help you improve your pronunciation at the same time. Bonus tip: chat with a cool app. There are awesome AI apps out there that can help you practice speaking English. Look for one that lets you talk and get feedback. It's like having a conversation partner whenever you want. Become fluent in English together. Subscribe and let's make it happen.